Good evening, friend. Today I will talk about the rich man, uh, rich mindset and poor mindset. Poor mindset. So, what is the difference between rich mindset? What is the characteristic? What is the trait who is owned by or by rich man and which is lacking the poor mindset of poor common people? So, first of all, the rich mindset people is growth oriented, while poor mindset is a fixed mindset. They they are not a growth mindset. They are living in comfort. They are fixed mindset. So a growth mindset means who is the rich mindset and growth mindset, they are continuously they are continuously learning new skill. They are keep updating in their self according to the changes is coming in this dynamic change world. They keep sharpening their skill. While the fixed mindset or poor mindset people, what they are doing, they don't want to learn new skill. They don't want to attend the few seminars or workshop where they can polish their skill or they can learn the new thing. Second characteristic is they are thinking long term, and they are the rich mindset people thinking about the long term. Whenever they are thinking to do anything in their life, their first objective, that should be long term. Suppose if they want to build up wealth, they always think long term. And in long term, what they think, and they calculate how much the tax on short term or long term. Suppose if we talk about in India, if you are investing in the share market, then there are 12% interest rate on, or that we on GST, 12% interest rate on long term, but short term there is 20% tax. So they try to think about long term. They have a long term vision. They have a long term relation. Whether it's making the wealth, whether it's making good habit. So they give the proper time for particular thing whichever they want. These while the poor mindset people or common people, they are seeking for instant gratification. They are they are doing the things on impulse basis. They don't they have a short vision, short term. So so they can't build build a wealth. They can be continuing the life they are doing, but they can't get uh, much more, which the rich mindset people are doing. So third is they are they are rich mindset people, or the rich mindset people. They are a good reader. They are always keep reading, not regarding their professional. There is a outer world also. They are reading the they are reading the book. They are reading the magazines, what's the new technology coming, what the new skill is in their industry, which will be, if they learn right now, they can benefit by the after some time. But what the poor man said and the common people, they are avoiding to learn new things, or they are procrastinating the thing. If suppose if you want suppose like I am talking about myself, I want to learn English, if speaking English, and I am thinking from past few years. But because we are I am procrastinating, and I was doing that, I was in comfort zone. Earlier I was suppose in my previous company, I was more connected with the farmers, so there no need to English all the thing. But I'm not thinking that doing that on long term. If I thinking doing the long term, then definitely I will be better than better in English, speaking English, what today I am. So then another point is they are disciplined. They are less disciplined, or they are uh, not a discipline. They are systematic. They are disciplined means they have a discipline each and every part of their life. like if they are like they are if you talk about investment, so they are disciplined. They are not doing impulsive trading or impulsive investment because somebody is telling them because this something is good. So because that's why you can invest this on that. No, they are not. They are disciplined. They have a systematic approach. Systematic approach. They not their decision not impulsive. They are disciplined. So like if they are saving, they are regular basis पे they are regular basis saving regular basis they are investing. They have a systematic way how much they have to invest or after earning the money, how much should we go for investment, how much they will go for each and every thing they are doing in life. So they are disciplinary in their life. And like they are disciplined in their because they are thinking long term, so they are disciplined about their health also. So they are thinking which so they not eating anything whatever they got in front of. They have eat or they have a diet plan, so they are following on it. But like the common people, like the poor mindset, they not have discipline regarding the diet, all these things. They eat just whatever they want to eat, or whether they never think whether it will be good for their health or not. But they are keep eating. And another thing is networking. The rich mindset people and the wealthy people, the successful people, they have networking, good network with their boss, with their boss, or where we are working in that company. They also make good connection through the social media platform, professional like LinkedIn, all these things. So they need to leverage those. And network they use it. But what the pure mindset of common people doing, they have limited access. They are not believing to attend the seminar workshop, so they can build a new relationship, or they can make a new friends, so they can learn something. But they are doing for limited access. They don't have limited so limited period. So they don't have a good access. So they limited exposure. So another thing is. So I think all these things, the trades or characters for what we call rich people and poor people, or rich mindset of poor people mindset. So anything you guys have apart from what I told right now, you can also add on this. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much to listening to me patiently.